Today we're going to talk about how to add a Shopify currency converter. Now, there is no direct or default feature in Shopify, of course, that would allow us to convert our currency unless we change our currency in the settings. So what we're going to do is, of course, go to applications over here and simply search for currency converter. This will allow us to see and check if there are applications that would allow us to perform such tasks and add it to our Shopify store. And as you can see, there are several options over here. So let's check out three of them and let's discuss what we will be able to do with each of this application. And let's check out which one can offer us the best services. So the first one over here is Nova, the multi-currency converter. This one will allow us to automatically or manually change the currency based on the customer's location. So it will be able to identify which country the location of the customer is. For example, whether this person is living in Canada or the United States or in Europe, it will automatically change the currency. And they also have the option to manually change it, of course. For example, they want to check out the price for $1, but their default currency is in euros, so they can change it to check out how much it would cost. You will be able to easily customize the settings. You will be able to change the design and colors. It is currently trusted and up to date with the exchange rates. And there's a 24/7 live chat support with the specific application. So it's a very good application. Moving on, we have Currency Converter Plus over here. This one's not free. You will have to pay $10 a month. This will allow you to identify the location of the customer using IP geolocation. There is 222 available currency. The exchange rate are updated every minute for reliable provider. And it is compatible to most Shopify market configuration. And then lastly, we have Best Currency Converter over here. It will allow us to add all currencies with a push of a button. And the prices convert automatically based on the customer's location. So it's automatic like what we mentioned earlier. It will be able to convert depending on the customer's location, and it will help your customer shop in their local currency, decreasing cart abandonment. And then the converter is placed automatically in the header of any Shopify deal. So when you open or when they open their Shopify, it will automatically be available on the top of their screen. And they will be able to change it. As you can see here on the preview, this is how it would work. They will be able to change it to any type of currency that is currently saved in their database. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.